Your car's tires are its only contact with the road. Their pressure is more critical than you might think. Let's talk about why balanced tire pressure is so crucial. Balanced tire pressure means each tire is inflated to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. This ensures even contact with the road and uniform load distribution. Under or overinflated tires can lead to rapid and uneven tire wear. Uneven pressure across your car reduces handling and increases braking distances. It can also result in poor fuel economy. Maintaining correct tire pressure enhances your car's stability. It improves steering response and optimizes fuel efficiency, and significantly extends the lifespan of your tires. Regularly check your tire pressure, ideally once a month, and always before long trips. Refer to your car's manual or the sticker on the driver's side door jamb for the correct sign. Don't overlook this simple yet vital maintenance task. Balanced tire pressure is key to a safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable driving experience. Drive smart, drive safe,